Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through how you can make 3D text in Alight Motion. Creating 3D text in Alight Motion involves several steps. So here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure you open up your Alight Motion application on your preferred device. Make sure to sign into your account, and once you're inside, go ahead and create a new project. Tap on the plus button at the bottom and then choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and background color, and then tap on Create Project. Once you create a new project, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right-hand corner and then choose Text at the lower right. Go ahead and enter your text you want to convert into 3D. After you do that, you can also select the font of the text by tapping on the drop-down at the top left and select from the list of fonts displayed on the screen. Choose your desired font and then select your font size by tapping on the drop-down at the top. Drag the slider in order to choose the desired size for your text and then select the color of your text by choosing the color icon at the top right. Now pick a color you'd like to work on with, and once you are done, select the text layer by tapping on the text like this on the screen and click on this little 2 square icon with a plus in it. Click on Duplicate Layer and make sure you create more layers for your text. By repeating this same option, I'm just gonna create up to 5 layers over here for the text. Now, you need to offset each layer. Go to the layer at the bottom of the screen and drag it a few pixels down and make sure it looks like this. You can place it in any direction you want. Just keep exploring and you will be able to create an animation like text. For more realistic effect, you can also gradually decrease the opacity of each layer. Go ahead and select a particular layer and tap on Blending and Opacity. Now drag the slider right next to the opacity option, and as you can see that you will be able to decrease the layer's opacity. Select your desired intensity for the opacity option and repeat the step for any other text layer as well. Once you are finished, select all the layers, simply press hold to the layer and keep selecting all of it from the screen. Now click on the group option or the option right next to the layer selected text at the top, and you will be able to group all of these layers into one. Now your layers will be combined into a single group. This will make it easier to manage and animate the 3D text. Now select the group once again and go to Effects at the bottom right. Click on Add Effect and search for Shadow Effect. Once you look for the shadow effect, tap on Standard Setting and then play your video. You can also adjust the shadow effect by simply going ahead and using the control panels at the bottom of the screen. Adjust it according to your preference. You can also use the fade effects, fade type, colors, size, alpha effects, and much more. Now the next step is to animate the 3D text. Tap on the group layer and tap on Move and Transform. At the beginning of the layer, add a keyframe. Tap on the diamond icon with a plus in it on the lower left and select another portion of the text layer and add another keyframe as well. Once you do that, you can swipe at the bottom of the screen to move the layer and animate the position, rotation, or scale of the text over time. Keep practicing to ease the option to make the animation smoother. Finally, after you are done, you can now play the video and you will be able to create 3D text in Alight Motion. You can now go ahead and export your video like you normally do, and that's it for today. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.